In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting. We'll go through the process from scheduling the meeting in Zoom all the way to sending the invitation through Gmail so your attendee receives all the information they need in one message. To get started, open Zoom and click on Schedule. This is where you create the meeting and set up the details before inviting anyone. If you haven't already filled in the meeting information, make sure everything looks correct, such as the date, time, and any other settings you want to use. This helps avoid confusion later when the invitation is sent. Next, go to the invite section. This area lets you add the people you want to include in the meeting. Once you're there, type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Be sure to enter the email carefully so the invitation goes to the correct place. Even a small typo can prevent the recipient from getting your meeting details. After entering the email, click on Save. Saving confirms the meeting setup and stores the invitee information. This is an important step because it makes sure your updates are applied before you copy the invitation link. Once the meeting is saved, click on Copy Invitation. This opens the option to grab the full meeting details, including the meeting link, ID, and any passcode information your guest may need. Then click on Copy Meeting Invitation. This copies the invitation text to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email. Now, head over to Gmail. When Gmail opens, click on Compose to start a new email, and in the new message window, type in the details of your email. This usually includes the recipient's email address, a clear subject line, and a short message letting them know they're invited to your Zoom meeting. Keeping your message simple and professional makes it easier for the recipient to understand the purpose of the email right away. After that, paste the invitation into the body of the email. This step is useful because it includes all of the Zoom meeting details in a ready-made format, which saves time and reduces the chance of leaving something out. You can place it below your short message so the email feels organized and easy to read. And then finally, click Send. Your Zoom invitation will now be delivered through Gmail, and the person you invited will be able to open the email and join the meeting using your information that you gave them. And that's how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting quickly and easily. If you guys found this helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.